So Women in Science Day is an event that's been happening here at Washburn since 2006. This is our 18th year, and we missed 2 years because of the pandemic, but we are back bigger than ever now. We have 276 girls on campus today to participate in a quiz show, and they listen to a female scientist speak today. They get a free lunch. They get to pick 2 labs that they get to participate in. And we have a wide variety of labs available. We've got forensic chemistry, we've got microbes, we've got weather, we've got an engineering lab, we have a coding lab, we have a water quality lab, so they can choose whatever it is that they're interested in. I was surprised to see that one of our most popular labs this year was a psychology lab that the psychology department here at Washburn runs. So that was a very popular one. Right behind me is the forensic chemistry one, and that is always, for 20 years, they've been with us since the beginning, and that is also a really popular one. Also the weather one. When girls are in about middle school, they start to lose that passion for science. They start to think maybe this is something only boys can do. Maybe this is something that's not interesting to me. So we just want to show them that there's so many possibilities out there for being in science. There's medicine, there's healthcare, there's being a meteorologist, there's being a forensic scientist. And so we just want to show them the possibilities and get them excited about science and math.